The PaintManager XI color software is a powerful color management tool that takes technicians, managers, and shop owners to an entirely new level of productivity and performance in their workplace. This short video will guide you through the color search process. Let's get started. Before we get started, ensure that you've selected your paint lines and segments. If you're unsure about how to do this, check the other video in this series titled Paint Lines and Segments. This will help streamline your access to the database, resulting in faster searches and better results. Once you've selected your paint lines and segments, click Save. From the dashboard, you can search for paint codes in a variety of ways. You can simply search using a paint code. In this case, we'll use JASA, a shade of black. Once we've typed it in and clicked search, it will look through the database for any paint codes with JASA. You've successfully performed a color search using a specific paint code. Now let's move to a new feature of the software, Freeform Search. Freeform searches allow you to search for traits of a vehicle without using a paint code. In this case, we'll look up a very basic low-level search, Black Ford. We can see any and all of the paint codes related to a black Ford. This isn't very specific and returns a lot of paint codes, so we'll tighten it up. Black Ford Mustang. And we've now filtered out all of the paint codes that match to anything other than a black Ford Mustang. We can drill down this search even further still by including the model year, Black Ford Mustang 2009. When we do that, we can easily see the JASA paint code we were searching for earlier, and we're able to find it without typing in the specific paint code. You've performed a freeform search. The last topic we will discuss is filtering the results. If you've performed a color search and are looking to sort or narrow the results, you can easily do this by clicking the tabs at the top of the menu. Filtering paint lines allows you to search for a more specific paint line that your shop carries. Filtering color attributes, such as metallic or pearl effects, will help narrow down the qualities you're looking for. And vehicle manufacturer will allow you to select the make of a vehicle, such as a BMW or Ford. You can also sort the list by various factors depending on what you're looking for. To do this, use the Sort tab at the top to sort the list alphabetically, by country, year, and more. Finally, you're also able to change to list or grid view if you like to see the results differently by clicking on the grid or list icon at the top right. You've learned how to perform and filter a color search in the PaintManager XI color software. Be sure to contact our help desk if you have any further questions, and as always, keep a close eye out for future videos in this series.